Students, now you just see that soil erosion. Okay, what is soil erosion? Shifting of top layer of soil from one place to another. There are two types of soil erosions are there. One is normal erosion and another is accelerated erosion. And this normal erosion is a natural process. That means natural process occurred by nature only, and its rate is very slow. Okay, in naked eye we can't able to observe it, right? It's a continuous, relatively unnoticed. Okay, and another one is the accelerated erosion. It's a man-made activities and the rate is very fast. Okay, cause serious loss of topsoil. All right, in order to create infrastructure, in order to develop our nation, okay, our state, okay, we are creating railway lines, right? We are creating roads, we are creating residential buildings. So for that reason, what happened that our topsoil, whatever we are doing in the land only. So we are creating serious problem to our topsoil. Okay, now what happened here? Agents. What are the agents of the soil erosion? Okay, so here three agents are there: water, wind and biotic agents. Okay, so water and wind, these are the natural one, and biotic agent, this is the man-made activity. And man-made activity ke karan what we are doing? We are doing deforestation. I told you, for that purpose of development, creating infrastructure, we are doing deforestation. Okay, and these are creating problem to our soil. Okay, students, now just see what are the causes of the soil erosion. What are the causes of soil erosion? Okay, lack of vegetation. Lack of vegetation means that in land, if no vegetation, no trees are there, then who will bind the soil? Okay, soil will be loose. That means soil can able to move by wind also, by water also. Okay, so these are the reasons of soil erosion. So this is our duty to create vegetation, to create trees there, so that the trees will bind the soil tightly, and wind as well as water cannot able to make them move from one place to another. Okay, and next is the slope of the land. You will see that maximum erosion used to take place in the slope of the land. Okay, because there the rainwater, okay, run off very quickly along with the soil, along with the topsoil there. Next is this rain and rainwater runoff. Third is overgrazing. Okay, animals when they were grazing the grass, okay, तो उनके लिए तो कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, 1 hour 2 hour के लिए कंट्रोल्ड ग्रेजिंग दे विल डू. तो ओवर ग्रेजिंग इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन that they are creating problems to the soil. क्योंकि when they were eating grass, when these cow or cattle, so they are eating grasses, they are taking roots of the grass also. Okay, so which is bind the soil, so it also creating a problem to the topsoil. Next is gullies. What are gullies here? You will see that the running water, when they flow over the clay soil, they make deep channels. Okay, when the running water cut the clay soil, okay, they make deep channels. All right, that is called gullies, right? And in Chambal basin, where is Chambal located? In Madhya Pradesh. In Chambal basin, okay, these gullies are called ravines, ravines, ravines. These are bad land. Okay, it's unfit for cultivation, right, students? And next is ploughing in a wrong way. Ploughing in a wrong way is also another cause for the soil erosion. Effects. loss of top fertile soil due to erosion. Top fertile soil is lost. Surface water pollution. Okay, due to the erosion, what happened? Surface water pollution also occur. How this happens? Surface water pollution, suppose in the plant we have given fertilizers and pesticides. When rain falls, okay, it used to take away the water, take away the pesticides and fertilizers along with it, and where they pour it, where they just make them flow there, they used to make pesticides and fertilizers flows towards any other water bodies. Similarly, what happened? The fertilizers and pesticides, they may percolate inside the ground water, inside the ground, and in this way they were creating pollution to the groundwater table also. Okay, now aesthetic loss. Aesthetic loss means if no trees will be there, okay, so there will be no beauty of the landscape, so damage the beauty of the landscape, reduce crop production potential. जिस तरह से टॉप सॉइल मतलब कम हो रही है सॉइल में, तो it will reduce the crop production potential. Okay, next is soil compaction and poor drainage. In some places you will find that the soil is very tough, soil is very rigid, okay, soil is very compact, so there when the water flows over there, all right, so water cannot able to penetrate the soil and reach to the ground water level. All right, and due to this soil compaction क्या होता है, water जमा हो जाती है वहाँ पर, तो this is called water logging. All right, and this happened due to the soil compaction and poor drainage. So this water logging is also another problem for the soil erosion. Okay, now how we can able to prevent it? No-till farming. In farmland you have seen that whenever the farmers they are farming, they used to plow the total land. So here our experts they were saying that not to plow the entire land. Wherever we used to cultivate the plant, वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा plow कर सकते हैं. If we plow the entire land, then what will happen? It will disturb the soil composition. Okay. Second is that windbreak or shelter belt. Just see here, what is the shelter belt here? Suppose this is our land. Okay, the entire white जो region है, यहाँ पर we used to do the cultivation here. This is our land. Okay, and outside the land no vegetation is there. So what will happen in that case? The wind will blow. When the wind will blow, they will take the topsoil from one place to another. So इससे क्या होगा? It will reduce the crop production potential of that field. So in order to stop that, what we can do कि boundary के आस पास we will cultivate